Previously, I made a video showing you what I think is Coach's very best bag from 2023, the Coach Tabby Messenger. And today I have another bag to show you. I have it to unbox for you. And this has a lot in common with that other one. I'm also going to share where I got it, which is a retailer out of Canada that offers big discounts on Coach products and several other brands. So stay tuned. Hi YouTube, Autumn Beckman here. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My channel is all about luxury living on a budget, from high-end luxury handbags and small goods to the everyday luxuries of life. If that sounds interesting to you, please make sure you subscribe, click the bell notification icon to be notified when I post new videos, and be sure to like the videos that you enjoy. And one of the perks of subscribing to my channel is you get to see my community post on your YouTube homepage, where I post deals, discount codes, sales, and rare finds related to these beautiful things we love. So the Canadian retailer where I got this bag is called Club de Mode. I will have them linked below. I learned about them through some of the Coach Facebook groups, and people were saying they were getting these bags for great deals, really big discounts, and people in the comments were wondering, are they authentic? Like, how did they get the prices that low? And other people in the comments were saying, yes, they're authentic, I've ordered from them, I got the bag, it's real, and it's brand new. After perusing the website myself, it looks like all the Coach bags and some other brands like Tory Burch, Michael Kors, Marc Jacobs are new bags at great discounts. But there are also other brands like Louis Vuitton or Gucci where they sell pre-loved items. And the brand new bags, like from the contemporary brands, primarily seem to be from previous seasons. This bag is one of those. They have the most from Coach by far. Lots of options, and the prices cannot be beat. They're fantastic. Really big discounts off retail. I'll tell you what I paid for this one in a minute. And with your first purchase, there is a code that has been on the website for a while now. I think it's just always there, for 15% off, so that makes it even better. When Coach released this bag, the Tabby Messenger, the original version, because they've come out with other ones since then, this is the Grace leather in the color Burnished Amber. When they released this, they released these bags in 3 different sizes. This is like the regular size. There was also a much larger one, I think it was 40 centimeters, that was a crossbody style messenger bag. But they've released the most then and now in terms of colors in the smaller version, which is the Coach Tabby Messenger 19. And there was a particular color in that first release that they haven't released since then that I absolutely loved. And that is perfect for me. But I didn't buy it because it's a smaller bag and I was concerned about the bag being so small. Really, this of the 3 sizes is the perfect one for me. But they all have their place. I loved the large size too. That would have been a fantastic work bag. Well, as I was perusing the Club de Mode website, minding my own business, this bag popped up. I will open it in just a second. I didn't buy it right away. I sat on it because I had just recently purchased this one, and I kept going back and forth about whether I should get the other one, and I kept going back to look at it on the website. This, over the course of a few weeks, is how long I was doing this. I had wanted this bag for a long time, like months, and the price was amazing, very hard to resist, but I wasn't sure how much I would really use it because of the size. But after a few weeks, no one else had picked it up, and I knew I could use that 15% off coupon for an even bigger discount. So I got it. Retail on this bag was $400. I got it for $166. And shipping from Canada to here in Oregon was only about $13. So let's open it up. I have already, actually I have not peeked at it. I've opened it because I wanted to see how it was packaged. It's in tissue paper, so you're not going to get a Coach box. Understandable. Pretty purple tissue paper, and that was on the top to protect it. The bag is wrapped up with a little sticker, very nice. There's more tissue paper. There's also a card. Club de Mode, thank you, and save 15% off your next purchase. Wonderful. So if I decide to get something else, I have another 15. You can use that code on the website. I don't want to give this away in case, I think it's a small business, so I don't just give a bunch of discount codes away without their permission. But they have the same, they have, you know, the 15% on the website. Okay, this little sticker says thank you for your purchase. I tried to peek at this bag the other day because I've had it for a few days before I could unbox it, and it's wrapped so well I couldn't get into it and then wrap it up just as nicely. So I haven't seen the color in person for, until now, for a very long time. It's beautiful. Oh my gosh, yes. Oh, Oh, and it's so soft. The leather is so soft. Oh, I love it. This is the Coach Tabby 19 Messenger in the color that they call bright green. This is bright green. Does that look bright green? Because that was one of the things with this bag too. I'm gonna put up, I found the original listing from Coach. This is the photograph that they have up of this bag. That looks like a dark green, doesn't it? This looks more like a turquoise, almost even a Tiffany blue. For me, it's definitely more blue than green, but look at it. So cute. I'll come up closer and give you a spin. Oh my gosh, it's adorable. I'm taking it all in. It's got the leather covered C. Some people don't like that C. I do. So there's the front, the side. I'll pull the strap out and show you that in a minute. We have a back pocket here with a little magnet in there. There's the inside of that pocket. Here's the other side. It still has the tags attached. So look, this says it was marked down to $240. I paid even less than that, but I don't know what currency that is either. Here's the little Coach hang tag. There's the bottom. It says genuine glove tan leather. And then when we open this up, there's a little button here you have to press. So press that and that releases the snap. And you have this little pocket here, which is adorable. Before I decided to buy this, by the way, I went into a Coach store to look at some of the current versions of the Tabby 19, and I tried it on and I made sure my phone fit. So that was kind of another reason why I decided to pull the trigger, because the phone did fit just fine. It has this little leather mark here. It says 1941. Okay. I had pointed that out on my other bag, that these markings were here, but I didn't bother to read that, and somebody pointed out that that means 1941, which is their like top of the line that they do. There's the interior of the pocket, and I think this is a micro suede. And then you have the strap. If you're familiar with the Tabby Messengers, that strap is not detachable on the sides. Okay, there's the inside. Oh, it did come with a dust bag. Wonderful. And there's a tiny snap pocket with the little care card. Here's the inside. Ooh, that's a tight snap. There's the inside of that pocket. What is that thing? Some kind of security thing. There we go. And then the story patch there. And notice that it has silver hardware. That's another thing I love about this line. Here's a quick little mod shot kind of the bag, so you can see how that looks on me. So here's another thing about this bag. For me, and I knew this buying the bag, and it's one of the reasons I was waffling about it, but it's also one of the reasons I wanted it. I knew that because of the size of it, it's not something that I'm likely to carry all that often. I'm trying to get a strap back in here. How do I do this? But I also knew, oh, I figured it out, I'm a genius. I also knew that with my new background here in the new YouTube studio, I'm being very deliberate about having green and turquoise bags up here. I got this knowing that it would look great sitting on the shelves behind me in these videos. I'm probably gonna put it right here. So I bought it as a bag that I can wear when I want to, but also more so to be what I call a trophy bag, which is a bag that just sits on the shelf and looks pretty. And at this price point and with this color, and knowing I love this line of bags and they're excellent quality. The quality on these, on the Coach 1941 bags, at least many of them, to me it's up to par with the luxury brands. So all those reasons helped me decide to get it, and I'm happy with that decision. This bag belongs here. So let's chop off the tag and see how she looks behind me. There we go. Pretty good, I think. I don't know if that'll be its permanent home. I'm trying to have those colors and spread them out, but also spread out different brands. So I don't necessarily want two Coach bags right next to each other. Not that anybody's gonna notice that, but I do. Oh, and I wanted to show you a quick comparison between these two sizes. It's a big difference in the size. This is more like an everyday bag. This is a more like if you're a small bag person or you're just carrying the bare essentials. So there's the front. Here are the sides. And then of course the back. They both have the pockets. And I always like to do a comparison of the bottoms because I feel like that gives you a really good idea of the size difference. So there you go. And I'm still living in the dark ages. I have an iPhone 10. I've been thinking about upgrading, but haven't done it yet. And that fits easily inside this bag. I think the big plus sizes may not. Let me show you this up close so you can see if you have a better idea of the plus size phones. So I have it sticking out of the bag a little bit just so you can see it, but I have it pushed all the way over on this side, and there's still that much room left, which is almost an inch, but not quite an inch. She's back on the shelf. That is so perfect for me. I love that color. And I love these tabby messengers too. And I can tell you I got a ton of really positive responses to the video where I unboxed this bag and to this bag itself. So I'm curious to know what you think of this bag, especially in comparison. Which is your favorite and why? Well, that is today's unboxing. Thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate it. Hope to see you back here next time. And I hope you have a fantastic day. Bye.